Hello, I'm Janine from Zhuhai Teamsung Technology Corporate Limited. Here is our factory room. Teamsung is a leader in China's consumables industry, with 19,000 square meters of plant and 600 employees, including about 17 product R&D engineers and quality management engineers. We design our own automatic production line to produce our drum cleaning blade, daughter blade, fuser film, transfer belt, PCR cleaning roller, spray roller, the second transfer roller for printers and copiers. The product market share is the world's leading with an annual turnover of $40 million, more than 2,300 products and 30,000 compatible models, with a monthly production capacities of more than 20 million pieces. We are committed to produce good quality products, and we are recognized as an outstanding manufacturer by our clients. We have ISO9001 Pony and High-Tech Enterprise certificate. Between October 16 to 18, come and meet us face-to-face at booth number 5310 at the RemaxWorld Expo in Zhuhai. We are looking forward to meeting you.